Hello, future entrepreneurs. Jermaine back here with another video from TrueFreedomIncome.com. Hope you guys are doing awesome today. I hope you guys are have had a great week and hope you guys have a good weekend. We have made it to day number 166 of this My Legion Secret Challenge. I'm back here with another video to show you guys how easy it is to earn income online with this method. Okay. Now, what we're doing, if you have no idea what I'm talking about, what we are doing, we are shooting a 1 year challenge where we are promoting one offer from a place called ClickBank. And we're using a service called My Legion Secret. We're putting those two together. We're somehow seeing if we can earn a steady income doing so within 1 year. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like and how to send out an email and the results from what I'm doing. And, go back and watch these previous videos, guys, so you can kind of get up to speed on where we're at and what we are doing. All right. So we made it to day number 166. Let's go ahead and hop right into this video. Okay. So if you don't know what My Legion Secret is, My Legion Secret is an email service that provides 100 to 200 e-business, e-marketing leads every single day. Okay, so every day you come into this back office, you're either going to see 100 or 200 leads. Okay, depending on how many accounts that you have. All right. Now the cool thing about My Legion Secrets is that they allow you to have multiple accounts. Okay, so once you sign up underneath your first account, what you can do is you can use your affiliate link to sign up underneath your second account. Okay. That way you can stack your accounts. Okay. So every account that you have, you'll be signing up under yourself. All right. Well, that's the cool thing. So the more accounts that you have, the more subscribers that you're going to get and the more people you're going to reach. Okay. With these emails. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Your back office is going to look exactly like this. Okay. The only thing different is going to be the emails that you send out versus what I send out. Okay. It's going to look different there. All right. But other than that, everything is going to look the same. And just a little bit about myself, guys. I've been with My Legion Secrets over a few years now. I totally love the service. I promoted tons of different offers to this traffic. I can tell you that it does work. It does convert. I've received paychecks from My Legion Secret, and I've also received paychecks from other affiliate networks from using this traffic source. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys how this works. Okay, now even though I've been with them a few years, I have about 8 different accounts. Okay, I come in every single day. Okay, and I send out my emails every single day. Okay, I do not miss days. All right. So, this is the method, guys. All right. One thing about this traffic, it is business opportunity traffic. Okay, so the best offers that work with the best with this traffic is going to be showing people how to make money. Okay, so if you know a business opportunity offer that you can promote, this will be the traffic for it. Okay, so the subscribers, these people care about making money online. All right. So that's very important that you have the right offer sending out to this email. I mean, out to this list. Okay. You can send out one email every 24 hours. Okay. So every 24 hours, you can come in and you can send out an email. Okay. And you can reach hundreds, thousands of people. Okay. Now, for my accounts, it takes me about 5 to 10 minutes to send out all 8 of my accounts, which is it gets pretty quick once you start to learn how to do this. Okay. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. Okay. There's going to be 2 popular ways to make money with My Legion Secret. Okay. The first way is going to be promoting My Legion Secret itself. Okay, you can literally come in here, create an email, use this affiliate link right here that's tailored to you. Okay, and you can send out an email to this system, and you can promote this program. Okay, and you will get sales, you will get subscribers, and life is good. Okay, by just promoting this program itself. So you can literally, if you didn't even want to promote anything else, you can literally just come in here to the affiliates tab. Okay, just to start out with, go to the promos tools. Okay, come down here to these pre-written emails right here. Okay, you can just send out all of these emails every single day. Okay, so you can just take one of these emails. Let's just say, for instance, we want to take this email. Click on that. It's going to take you to the mailing system where you enter in your email. Okay. And then all we would have to do is come here and we want to select the emails that are transferred over. Okay, and then it's going to transfer the latest emails that you have. And then all you would have to do is come down here. As you can see, we've already populated the subject line. Okay. And then it also populates the body of text here. Okay. So you can literally make sure everything is good to go here. And you come down, scroll down. And as you can see, your affiliate link will be right there. Okay. You come down here, click on perfect timing right here, guys, and click on send. You're not able to see that because I've already sent out my emails tonight. Okay. But you're going to see a send now or a preview. Just click on send now. Make sure this is check marked. That's very important. And then click send. What's going to happen is this email is going to go out to all the people in your list, guys. Okay, so it's just going to go out. People are going to read it and then click on this affiliate link right here. Okay, now once they click on your link, it's going to take them to your landing page. Your landing page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay, it's our job as affiliate marketers is to create an email and to get our prospects to click on our link to get them to our sales page. Okay. So that's going to be one popular way that you can make money with My Legion Secret is just literally coming in here and promoting My Legion Secrets. Okay. The other way is going to be using a affiliate network service, okay, such as ClickBank. You can use Warrior Plus. You can use JVZoo. You can use Max Bounty, and you can use Blue Media Ventures. There's tons of CPA networks out there online that you can literally go to and sign up and become a publisher for some of those networks, okay? And that's what we've done. And the ones that I've named off, those are the ones that I use personally, okay, on a day-to-day basis. So those are the ones that I can say that do work, okay. I've promoted those offers, a lot of those offers from those networks to this traffic, and it does work, okay. So I just wanted to throw that out there at you. So what we are using for this challenge is going to be ClickBank, and I'm using ClickBank because this traffic responds very well to the offers on ClickBank. So I'm just going to stick with ClickBank offers because I get the most success with those offers. All right. So I just wanted to show you guys what that looks like. So if you go to clickbank.com, you can get started there for a free account. Okay. It doesn't cost you a dime to get started. Go there, sign up. Takes about 5 minutes to sign up. You're going to be able to get access to the marketplace. The marketplace is where you have all the offers in all the different niches. Where you're going to want to go is the e-business e-marketing section. That's going to allow you to use some of those offers and promote some of those offers. There's about 4 different offers on there, and those offers come with pre-written email swipes that you can use. Okay, they have about 20 of them. So what you can literally do is go pick out one of those offers and send out all 20 emails. Okay. So pretty much all you would have to do is go over there. Some of these emails that I've already sent out are the email swipes that I have used from the vendor. Okay. So you can literally grab one of these emails right here. Okay. And it's going to have a subject line that you would copy and paste over. And then it's also going to have a body of text that you would paste over as well. Okay. And then down at the bottom, there's going to be a call to action text that all you would have to do is click on that link. Or, I mean, all your customers going to have to do is click on that link, and it's going to take them to your affiliate page. And that affiliate page is going to do all the selling and telling for you. Okay. So all you have to do is get in there. But these are some of the emails that are from the vendor that you can just copy and paste over. It doesn't take a lot of time at all. If you know how to copy and paste emails, you can do this method, guys. It's super easy to do. All right. So those are going to be the 2 popular ways to make money with the mailing system. Okay. Now there's going to be 3 ways to send out an email. Okay. You can either create the email yourself, okay, and use your affiliate link to insert it into the email that you create. That's one. Number 2 is using the email AI service or Chat GPT or something like that, where you can go actually tell that service what kind of email you want it to write. Okay, that's going to be another way. And the third way is just by using the free email swipes that are from the vendor. Okay, which is what I would recommend somebody starting out do. Okay. You start with those 20 emails first and you keep using those every single day. Okay. You run through a cycle of them. You run back through again with those same emails and you just keep doing that over and over and over again. And then eventually what you can do is you can repurpose those emails. You can basically go to a AI service or such as ChatGPT, and you can ask it to create you a different variation of that same email. Okay, that's just another more advanced way to send out emails. Okay, once you get comfortable sending out the pre-written emails that are already out. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys, what that looks like. We've already started to get a little traffic here, and we'll be off to the races. Okay. Now, I've already sent out my emails last night. Like I told you guys, I send out my emails around the same time every single day. Anywhere between 10 to 12 o'clock is when I'm going to be sending out my emails. Okay. Now, you don't have to wait till at night to send out your emails. You can send them out during the day, afternoon, whatever works best for you and your schedule. But for me, I just like sending them out at night because I just take about 5 to 10 minutes of my time, and then I can send those out and be done. And I'm done, and I can move on to other income opportunities, activities that I do. Okay. So, as you can see right here, guys, today is 10/10 of 25. It's October 10th right here. What I like to do is show the last 30 days on what our accounts are looking like. So that way you can kind of you can see the algorithm and kind of know what to expect once you start doing this. Okay. So we're on 166. So we're still in month number 5 of this video challenge. Okay. And this is one of my accounts from my back office. Okay. ClickBank.com. You guys can go here literally and create a free account, and start using some of those offers on ClickBank. Okay. So let's go ahead and come down here, and so we can check out the last 30 days. Okay. This is kind of what it's been looking like, guys. The algorithm has been pretty consistent. We've gotten sales, 2 days in a row. We may have missed a day. We came back, got 2 sales in a row. Here's 2 days when we didn't get a sale. Okay. But then we came back and we got sales in a row for 4 days. Okay. And this is a brand new algorithm right here, where we're starting to get 4 days in a row when it comes to getting sales. Okay. Which is really good. Right here, we went 3 days. This is probably going to be, I haven't seen this in a while, where we went 3 days without a sale. But then on that fourth day, we did come back and we did get a sale. The next day, we didn't get one. But listen, we came back the next day and we got another 4 sales. Okay. We missed a day, we came back and got another 4 sales back to back. Okay, we missed 2 days. We got a sale back to back, and then we did not get a sale today. Okay, so this has kind of been the algorithm, so you kind of guys know what to expect. Okay, the sales are going to come in when you first start out. You may get a sale here, and maybe a week later, maybe 2 weeks later. It just depends on your efforts and how many accounts that you have. I've seen, results where people are getting results within their first couple of days. Okay. I've seen people get results within their first week, maybe first 3 or 4 weeks. Okay. First month, right? And then things start taking off between month 3 and month 4. Okay. Now with me, things didn't start taking off till month 3 and month 4 when I first started out. Okay. So I literally had to come in here every single day and send out emails every single day until I started to see results. Okay. And that's exactly what I did. So just know what to expect. This is, like I said, not some get rich quick, opportunity. You're not going to be able to come in here and just send out an email and make thousands of dollars next week. Okay. It just doesn't work that way. This is a real business. Okay. You're going to have to come in. You're going to have to put in the work. You're going to have to send out emails every single day and know that you're not going to get anything in return your first day. Okay. You have to warm this thing up. Like, again, this is cold traffic. Okay. So you have to warm these people up to the right email. Okay. And then eventually you will start to see progress in what you're doing, clicks, subscribers, and then also you will start to see sales. All right. So that's what I just wanted to tell you guys. Another thing about ClickBank, and why I love it so much, is that they pay every single week. Okay. So every Friday, they will send you out a paycheck. They will either send you a paper check or you can do direct deposit. Me personally, I like direct deposit. I've gotten paid today, which is really good. So just know that with this, you'll get paid every single week with ClickBank. Okay, so I recommend getting started and getting signed up. I don't have any special link. I'm not trying to sell you on ClickBank or anything like that. You can literally go there and create a free account. All right. Now, if you guys want to get started with My Lead Gen Secret, and you want to join my team and you want to get some of the emails that I use, you're more than welcome to get started and get signed up. So all you got to do is come down here to this video. Okay, click on the More tab, guys. Click on where it says Tiny URL, MLGS True Freedom. Click on that link. going to take you to the landing page. Okay. If you go down here to this landing page, you're going to see testimonials. Okay. These are people who are making money with the system. Okay. I'm not the only one making money. All right. So I just wanted to let that be clear. Okay. There's lots of other people that are making money with this thing. Okay. So this thing does work, and it will earn income for you if you do it correctly. Okay. So you come up here, guys, click on the join email GS now, this big red button here to your left. Pay your $60 to get started. There's a $30 a month to keep the service. Okay. It's just a no-brainer, guys. Like I said, I've been doing this for a few years. You can take my word for it, that it does work. You're going to make way more than what you're being charged for each month. I wouldn't recommend just starting with one account. I would recommend starting with at least 3 to 5 accounts, okay, if your budget permits. But at minimum, at least three, okay. That way you can hit the ground running. And then once you start making money from those 3 accounts, you can scale up to five. Five is going to be that sweet spot, okay. Once you get to five, you're going to be rocking and rolling, all right. Now, you can go more. You can get more as you want. If you want to move faster at making more money, okay, because the more accounts that you have, the faster you're going to get the results, okay? But you do have to hold on at least between 4 to 6 months if you have multiple accounts for this thing to start taking off for you. So I just wanted to show you guys how to get started today. I recommend getting started today. The hardest thing about doing this thing is getting started, okay? So I cannot stress that enough. So I just wanted to come in, show you guys how easy it is to use the mailing system. I wanted to show you the results from today and the past 30 days on what we've been doing. As you can see right in front of you, we are earning income daily on this thing, okay? Or every other day. So I just wanted to show you guys what this looks like. I sent out my emails tonight. I'll meet you guys back here tomorrow at the same time, same place. All right, guys. Peace.